Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on this contact lens by Olens, and this is their Realish collection. Just by the name Realish, it really reminds me of real ring, but the enlargement side. So without further ado, let's get started. It comes in two different colors, brown and grey. The graphic diameter for this one is 13.5mm. With the real ring collection, the graphic diameter is 12.5mm, whereas the Vivi ring one is 13.0mm. And then you get this one, which is 13.5mm, and that's what I meant when I say this is like the enlargement one. The way I see it is that the inside of the contact lens, both the brown and grey, it is exactly identical to the real ring brown and grey. But then on the outer part, the border, you get that really nice dark brown pixelated border, like a really thick one, which reminds me a lot like the Vivi ring one, and that's why I thought to tell you guys how it looks like for me. The brown one is like the usual golden caramel brown on the inside. You don't really get too much pattern to it, and if you guys are like my long-term follower, you would know that I have like a love-hate relationship with real ring. Sometimes it looks really natural to me, sometimes it doesn't. For this case right now, this real-ish brown definitely doesn't look that realistic on my eyes compared to the grey one. With the grey one, which is what I'm currently wearing right now, I absolutely love it. I can definitely see myself using this more than the actual real ring grey itself, just because I love the combo of the border on the outside. It gives a really beautiful enlargement, but also doesn't look too large, even though 13.5 is usually too big to my liking. However, with this particular pattern, I love the finish of it. I love how subtle, coolish grey this color look, but at the same time, because of the border itself, it doesn't make my eyes look like coolish looking. Does that make sense? So I definitely love this one. So if you guys ask me which one I would pick more, I would definitely pick the grey one more over the brown. But let me know what you guys think, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, this is not new by the way, but I finally got my hands to trying it out, and I don't know why I waited so long to review this, but I hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys!